All NATO members have agreed to raise defense and security spending to 5% of GDP by 2035. In the declaration at the NATO summit in The Hague, the leaders said the defense pledge will consist of investments of at least 3.5% of GDP per year in core defense requirements. They also vote to spend up to 1.5% of GDP on security-related expenditures, including protection of critical infrastructure and strengthening the alliance's defense industrial base. Speaking at the summit, NATO Chief Rutte stated that military aid for Ukraine this year will very likely exceed last year's $58 billion. Rutte said Europe and Canada would need to contribute more to the military alliance. He also said the US strike on Iran dealt a massive blow to the country. Rutte additionally cited Russia as a threat both in the short and long term. He said NATO needs to rapidly expand defense industrial capacity on both sides of the Atlantic. Speaking at the summit, US President Donald said additional money should be spent on military hardware. Trump also said that it is possible that Russian President Vladimir Putin has territorial ambitions beyond Ukraine. The US president said he told Putin in a recent phone call to cooperate in ending the war in Ukraine. He also clarified that he did not discuss a ceasefire with Zelensky during their meeting on the sidelines of the summit.
News in
Your voice in the ink of truth.